Okay, Kira. Let's go find some birds. Come on, let's go. Come around. Good girl. Good girl. Come around. Where are we going? Okay, get in. Let's see if we can find some woodcock in these woods. Tons of brassica in here. Do you love that? Atta girl, find him. Oh, she's smells something. Where are they? Find him. Oh. Get me going there for a minute. This spot in here always has birds in it. At least one bird. See what we can find. Yeah, there she goes. Good girl. Easy. Oh, there it goes, right there. Good girl. Okay. Would have been a shot if I was paying attention. Find another one. Yeah, she goes again. That's the same bird or not? I think it's a different bird. Easy. Whoa. Whoa. I'm just looking up here now. Easy. Whoa. See, this wild blueberry, raspberry. Okay. Couple there. Oh, here we go. Just got it locked down now. Easy. Whoa. So thick in here. Good girl. Whoa. Whoa. Where's that bird? Oh, there it goes, right there. Boom, boom. Okay. That was a good one. Good girl. You are awesome. All right. Pretty good for 5 minutes out of the truck. You're a good girl. On to the next one.